Hi, this is Avnish Kumar. I am the founder and the CEO of LivNSense. LivNSense is a global product company. We offer an out-of-box industrial AI platform that targets the asset performance, reliability, process optimization with a KPI-driven outcome model. We serve the manufacturers, OEMs, and system integrator with a focus on continuous process industry, which is oil to chemical segment. This segment is struggling to expand margins, improve reliability, and manage the environmental compliance. This is due to the excessive energy consumption, unplanned shutdowns, and other inefficiencies across the value chain. The value chain requires a holistic AI strategy that can expand across energy optimization in the furnaces to the downstream operations and even taking into account of the entire throughput across the value chain. The production losses today for a mid-sized chemical plant can be in the range of 25 to 50 million per annum. And the industry really needs to move from the system of record approach to a system of intelligence approach. Our solution, Cognitive Manufacturing 4.0, transforms the whole process industry value chain with an AI-led libraries, cognitive digital twin, and a market-ready solution which has been deployed across customers in US and India in both PaaS and SaaS-based model. The Cognitive Manufacturing 4.0 platform leverages the process-based AI models, and it provides the full manufacturing process view in a real-time basis. The process digital twin combined with soft sensor can address the production process optimization with real-time predictive recommendations. The potential benefits that can deliver is in the range of 4 to 7% EBITDA improvement. And the solution value realization is all across, from the real-time data collection to process-based machine learning to process digital twin, which overall gives a savings of close to $10 to $12 million on a per annum basis. And these are the business outcomes which we have delivered for the industry across the value chain. Thanks, and looking forward to interact with all of you.